In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to improve the sound of your video, adding audio effects is a quick and powerful way to do it. Audio effects can help clean up background noise, shape the tone of a voice, or simply make your audio sound more polished and professional. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. To get started, go to the top left area of the interface and click on Effects. This will open the Effects tab where DaVinci Resolve groups together different tools that you can apply to your media. If you are new to the layout, take a second to notice that this panel contains several categories, so do not worry if it looks a little busy at first. Once the Effects tab is open, look for the section called Audio FX. This is where you will find the audio effects available for your project. These effects are designed specifically for sound, so this is the area you want when you are working with dialogue, music, sound effects, or any other audio clip in your timeline. After you find Audio FX, choose the effect you want to use, then click and drag it directly onto an audio clip in your timeline. As soon as you drop it onto the clip, the effect will be applied. This drag and drop method is one of the easiest ways to work in DaVinci Resolve, and it makes experimenting with different sound enhancements much faster. When you are doing this, make sure you are dragging the effect onto an actual audio clip and not a video-only clip. If your video and audio are linked together, just be careful to place the effect on the audio portion. That way DaVinci Resolve knows exactly where the effect should be applied. A helpful tip here is to try one effect at a time, especially if you are just getting started. It is easier to hear what each effect is doing when you apply them individually. This can help you learn the purpose of each one and avoid over-processing your audio. And that's all it takes to add audio effects in DaVinci Resolve. Open the Effects tab, find Audio FX, and drag your chosen effect onto an audio clip. Once you get comfortable with this basic process, you will be able to improve your audio much more confidently and make your project sound far better overall.